Good morning, Open Spokes. Happy Friday. It's Friday today. Normally I shoot these videos on Sundays. But in honor of the Open Online Educators, I'm getting a video shot today to welcome folks. And I'm welcoming folks to certainly this channel. Maybe you'll find some of the videos interesting. Maybe it's just these are interesting artifacts of people thinking in public spaces in order to get feedback from a select audience and then also always a potential audience. So since I'm welcoming you to Open Online Education and Open Spokes, and maybe I'm welcoming you to the internet itself, I want to do a quick history of the internet. So the internet was invented in the 80s by Al Gore. And then sometime around 2012, a small group of educators called the Open Spokes took the internet and started to use it for their own small group purposes. And then in October of 2013, a much larger group called the Open Online Educators took the internet and started to bend it toward their own purposes. With that history behind us, I guess the thing that I'm most excited about is what will happen next in these new collaborations. When we look back at the Open Online Education MOOC, what will we see? What will this larger group of folks have done with the internet and all its possible connections? It's pretty heady stuff you're involved in here, thinking online in public. Waiting to publish something that's perfect, or agonizing over making sure that something's perfect, will always be an exercise in frustration and an exercise in futility. And instead, I think that formulating ideas and posing questions and sharing insights and successes or frustrations in an informal sense with a community can be an exercise in collaboration, an exercise in networking. I think you'll find that you're also engaged in an exercise of filtering and kind of selecting and sequencing. And so I'm really excited for you, and I'm interested to come along and see what happens. Because coming to you from a strangely snowy morning in Aurora, Colorado, I feel blessed to work with a lot of really smart people. But the challenge of working anywhere in the world is that most of the smart people in the world work somewhere else. And so having connections to other ideas and other leaders, other thinkers, other teachers, other experimenters, and other people who are starting to bend the internet to their will is what's exciting about publishing online. So here's another video. It is informal. It is me thinking in public. And as always, I'm anxious to see what my colleagues in Open Spokes will say about this video. I'm also equally interested to see their videos and respond and see where all this thinking in public takes us.